And with that, the 2024 season comes to an end.
So ito na nga guys, maghihintay tayo kasi my driver is picking me up 7 in the morning. And dito ako nag-stay, that was Best Western Plus. Ito tayo ng Denny's. So ito na nga guys yung breakfast natin. Nandito na naman tayo sa airport. We just have to follow the numbers. I have a connecting flight. I will be going to Calgary, Canada. So guys, nagmamadali kami kasi we still have 13 minutes. Kalalagpas lang natin ang immigration inspection. Nag-start na?
Hindi pa, malapit na.
Wala pa. Welcome to Calgary. Kasi nakakapagod itong biyahe na to. We've been traveling for 3 days.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday.
So guys, outfit check muna tayo. Oh my god, so cold! So guys, ito na nga. Ang ganda oh. Oh my god. Hindi ko na kaya. Ito yung first time ko maka-encounter yung sobrang lamig guys. And the thing is, as what you could see guys, may mga ice pa rin. Yung mga ice na daw yan is since August pa yan. So, nagme-melt na daw yan. So, patapos na yan. Ayan yung mga kasama ko. Anong pakiramdam? Malamig?
Sobra!
Sobrang lamig!
Sa loob ng rep.
Walking alone.
Kakarating lang natin and this will be the start of our long journey. So malamig pa rin. Diyan tayo aakyat. Ang daming tao guys. Oh my god. You see? Ang laki. You see, that's the Rock Mountains and as you could see, there are a lot of snow. Guys, yung pangarap ko lang dati, nandito na tayo. I can't believe it. It's really good having in here and as what you have seen, it's really a paradise on earth. Hey, hey, hey! That's the Victoria Peak. Guys, another view. Ganda. Ang lamig pa rin. That's the falls. We only have 10 minutes here to wait. Ang dami mga turista, ang dami nagpapapicture dito. Ang daming restaurant dito guys, pwede kayong kumain. So, libot-libot lang tayo. Guys, good morning. This is our breakfast. Okay, so we just have to go back. We are still waiting for the driver to come. Kasi kailangan niya makapagpahinga or makatulog ng 8 hours. Bumaba na kami for wash break.
There's a few rules that I need to tell you guys. Do not climb on the cannons or the wall. We're gonna see them, but do not climb on it.
Ito na nga yung labas ng Citadel, and as you could see, talagang wall siya. Itong tour na to, alam mo yung parang nasa Intramuros ka. Wala uutot sa inyo ah.
Ay, bawal.
Hindi kasi, parang nakakontain siya eh. Dito daw yung exit. You only have 2 minutes daw. Tapos na yung tour namin inside the Citadel. Ito yung itsura ng maple leaf nila. So, ito yung national leaf ng Canada. Itong maple leaf na to, nagtaturn into red, orange, or red. Ang mga Canadian, very proud sila sa pagiging Canadian nila. Everything na napansin ko is they always have flags. Mapapansin mo din na yung mga establishment nila or yung mga announcement or yung mga signboard nila, puro mga French yung language na ginagamit nila. So yun guys, nakikita nyo yung palace na yan. That palace is called the Château St. Louis Palace. That's a place of power and diplomacy. Welcome to Ottawa. So Ottawa is the capital city of Canada, and as you could see, ang daming maple leaf dito. Check natin yung yung statue nila. Yung pinakasikat na statue dito sa Canada, which is the horse riding by Elizabeth II. That one. Sa Ottawa pa rin tayo. Guys, welcome to Parliament. This building looks like so opulent, and we also have another one that look, and you see. So the boat is leaving for 3 minutes, so we have to make it fast. Kami lang pala yung hinihintay dito. Yan yung boat. So, come on guys.
All passengers are to report to the muster stations located at the rear of the bottom deck for life raft boarding.
So dito guys, makikita natin yung boundaries or between US and Canada. Ingatan nyo, baka mahulog yung cellphone nyo guys. Ang daming isla.
Others are so small that they're not even known as islands, but as islets or shoals.
That's it! Oh, that's the Niagara Falls. Guys, can't believe it. You see? The Niagara Falls is behind me. Niagara Falls is in one frame. It's in my video frame. I can't believe it. That one. Mas better yung view dito sa Canada kaysa sa US. Kasi mas makikita yung full view talaga. Guys, welcome to United States. Nakapasok na kami and we're heading to Philadelphia. So guys, ito na nga yung binili natin. Chick-fil-A. We have cookies and cream. So guys, outfit check muna tayo bago tayo umalis. So guys, 10 years ago, Philadelphia used to be the capital city of United States. Kain na ba tayo? Inaatake tayo ng allergic rhinitis natin. Sobrang baho kasi. May mga parts din ng state na ito na mabaho din eh. Let's go! Come on! 5 minutes lang tayo dito. We have to make it fast. Sulitin natin yung time. Guys, yan si Rocky Balboa. Alam natin na sumikat siya dito sa movie na yan, which is the Rocky. That's the Independence Hall. And we would be heading over there. Guys, so that's the Independence Hall, one of the most iconic here in the United States, which is it was built for the Declaration of Independence of the United States. Oh my God, everything is sparkling. Welcome to New York. We are in Times Square and maghahanap tayo ng pagkain. You have to be reminded that in New York, everything is expensive. Mabilis lang yung paggamit ng ticket. If you have credit card, you just have to tap it. Hi to the vlog! Nandito tayo sa Staten Island, which is papunta tayo ng Statue of Liberty.
All passengers must depart the ferry at this time.
Guys, nakikita na natin siya. Ayan na siya guys. Oh my God. Hanapin natin yung ferry papuntang Manhattan. So we have to catch the ferry again. Pabalik. Nasa Central Park tayo. Mapapansin natin, madaming nagpipiknik dito. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Come on guys, we are here. Welcome to Times Square. Ayan yung MGM guys. That's the casino. So, yan na yung bus natin. Ito na nga yung Hoover Dam. Ito yung pinasabog sa ano to, Mission Impossible eh. Sobrang ganda oh, tingnan nyo oh. That is the Joshua Tree, which is nakikita mo lang doon sa mga western movies. Tapos ngayon, grabe. Sarap mo na. Ayan o. Guys, come on. Guys, tara. Pababa na kami. Nandito na tayo sa Eagle Eye. So they call it as Eagle kasi parang agila yung, ayun na yung formation ng rock. Mas better pa to siguro if hindi masyado natatamaan ng araw. Kasi yung kulay ng nature nababawasan kapag masyadong exposed sa light. You see that? Totoo nga yung mga sinasabi nila na yung mga pumupunta daw dito, karamihan sa kanila umiiyak kapag nakita nila to. Ang dami pa ring tao dito. Ayan o. Punta tayo dun sa pinaka-peak nyo. Para at least ma-appreciate natin. So guys, this is me. You know, I'll give you a 360. You see that? Oh.